Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your NAB Bank online banking account. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser, as I have already opened Google Chrome. On the search bar, just type NAB login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official website, www.nab.com. Just click over here, and this is the official website of NAB. On the top right side of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click over here. On the left right of your screen, you can see the login form. Just type your NAB ID over here, similarly, password over here. Just click on Remember My NAB ID for further use. Once you click on the login button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your NAB ID or password, just click on NAB ID or password. And if you don't have any idea of NAB banking, just click on Register Now. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.